Hi everyone. Just quickly, I'll show you today how to apply water decals on acrylic. For example, French without gel polish underneath, as well as on the top of gel polish, which can be very quick and easy. And water decals have wonderful designs, very precise and accurate. There is no mess, nearly no mess apart from water. And you can create a beautiful designs. Let's do it. Water decals. Here I have a design which reminds Russian Zhostova. As you can see, there is already a few designs cut. I usually keep it in a pack away from dust. Usually these designs come with clear little plastic or film, which we put it away. And each design, you might be able to see as I move, has already, it's not perforated, but actual design has edges very close to the actually color, and you don't need to cut, as you can see here, only roughly. You don't need to cut very close to design. Here I have a tip which I would love you to think about pink and white powder when we do nails refill or rebalance, or perhaps a full set, and nail being filed to the shape and buffed. It's a matte surface, and I found when I use water decals on a buffed surface, it does not stick as good as it should. So I found the way to fix it, let's say. So what I do, obviously on the nail that's ready to be applied water decal, I particularly use Indigo Shine On, which is a top coat without tacky layer. And what I do, as you might discuss with your client, where to apply your design, and not necessarily on entire nail, perhaps on the area that you might apply water decal. Apply very thin layer of Shine On, and I will cure it only for 30 seconds. Here we are. Top coat being cured only for 30 seconds, I found still has a slightly tacky layer, which allow water decal to stick better. So here is nail ready. In the meantime, if it's on a client, all we do, we take any particular, like anything you would love to apply on your client's nail. Let's take a big flower, or maybe this, so we just finish up. And as you can see, I just cut it very roughly, doesn't have to be very close to design, and we will put it in the water for a few seconds. Now I'm nearly prepared. I would love to have my water very warm because it helps decal to separate from the film, and that way we need only literally a few seconds. You can drop and leave it in because I'm only demonstrating, and it should be just about right. Not quite, a few more seconds. I will leave it in, and it usually goes on the bottom. Okay. Here I have a couple of paper towels that I ripped off. You can take just a tissue. I would probably, we'll put water away. I like my very sharp tweezers that I used to use for eyelash extensions. So sometimes it's easy if you turn around design to grab the end you need. And what I do, I usually take excess of water by pressing a little bit, but holding the edge of it. So we have it already with pretty dry. And then we place it on a nail in a desired position. It sticks well, and majority of the times, if it's on a gel polish or on something like this on the top coat, it's sometimes a bit hard to reposition it. So try to apply in a place there you would love to have. Let's try. Now it moves a little bit, so I would say I would be more or less happy with it there. Lint-free or paper towel helps because it doesn't leave any lint. So we press it a couple of times to get excess of water from under the sticker. And now it's ready to be finished up. If you do a few nails, you will work out the way and which procedures you do in the right order, not to waste a lot of time. But here doing one, we're just marking around. Then I take my, on acrylic, I usually use Shine On top coat, which has no tacky layer. And I apply on entire tip or entire nail of your client. And doing it that way, I never ever had edges of the water decal stick out and not to be covered and with the top coat. So it's absolutely perfect smooth surface, perhaps you can see, and you cannot possibly see edges of the water decal. It's absolutely perfect and goes in the light for 2 minutes. Cured, 2 minutes, no tacky layer. You probably cannot see, but there is absolutely no edges stick out. It's just the perfect finish you could possibly desire. And that's how water decals can be applied on acrylic nails without any gel polish on underneath. Thank you for watching, and I hope it will help some of you girls. Bye bye.